So this is how to use the Culinare Magican can opener. I know people find it hard to use, but it's not quite as difficult as you think. Although when I followed the manufacturer's instructions, I'm fairly practical and I really struggled, and hence the reason I made my original video, which has been viewed by about 65,000 people. So there's your can opener. So first of all, open the little handles fully, so it's fully open, and then on the back here, what's happened is that cutting blade and that wheel have now opened up, and you can see the gap hopefully. So the handles are closed, it's closed up like that. Once the handles are opened, then you've got that little slot in there, quite sharp in there. So anyway, so you turn that over, and basically what you're trying to do is to get that cap over this edge. So put it in over there. If you go push it, put it like that, it's then firmly fitted. Then all you've got to do then is to simultaneously close the handles and turn the handle in a clockwise direction. So close the handles and simultaneously turn the handle. Keep the tin in the upright position, because if it's a liquid contents like it is here with this coconut milk, which will probably go all over my little table, as I say, potentially if you've got it, some people try to do this on the side, but then you end up with it, all your liquid contents all over your worktop or whatever. So then all you do then is simply just pull the hands apart and then just lift it off and give this a bit of a wash. And then your can is open. Easy. Like all these things, it's easy when you know how, but I know, me included, loads and loads of people have found this very, very difficult. So if you found this at all useful, please do give it the thumbs up, and please do subscribe, and then I can continue to help Acorns Children's Hospice Worcester and Mind. And thank you to the 680,000, actually now 680,000 people who have viewed the different videos on my website. So it is worth subscribing. Well, it may not be worth subscribing, but anyway, hopefully it might be worth subscribing, because I cover a wide range of things, from DIY gardening to cooking, all sorts of different things. So yeah, I'm sure you might find something of interest. So please do subscribe, and thank you for listening to me waffling on. If you can support this video channel to the same extent that you supported the shorts channel for this particular product, then that will definitely help me to help Acorns Children's Hospice Worcester and Mind, because I do need the subscribers and I do need the watch time hours to be able to start to earn some money from this, then part of which will then go to those two particular charities. Thank you so much.